friends, today we learned fruit's name. Are you ready for learning? Fruits are growing. What a sight! Let's learn their names. It's lots of fun. Come along, everyone.
Apple, banana, cherry too. Orange, peach, and kiwi for you. Grapes and strawberries, juicy and sweet. Learning fruits can't be beat. Round and red, an apple's charm. Crunchy bite, it does no harm. Banana's yellow, long and sleek. Peel it back for a tasty treat. Oranges are round and bright, full of juice, a citrus delight. Peaches soft with fuzzy skin. Eating fruits is always win. Grapes in bunches, purple or green. Sweet to taste, like a dream. Strawberries red dotted with seeds. Pick them fresh, meet all your needs. Apple, banana, cherry too. Orange, peach, and kiwi for you. Grapes and strawberries, juicy and sweet. Learning fruits can't be beat. Now we know our fruits so well. In the orchard we can dwell. Learning is fun, come and see. With fruits we're happy as can be.